Hello friends, in this new video series I am going to be telling you about some very basic tips about art. Today I am going to show the perfect way to draw lines. It is not wise to press the pencil very hard onto the paper because it is very difficult to erase. So you just need glide the pencil gently over the page in order to draw a perfect line. This is wrong and this is right. When you are trying to draw something, don't draw broken lines. It is not the correct method. In order to draw long lines, you can draw the line in simple and smooth parts. Wrong and right. If you are trying to draw a shape and it is not perfect, like in this case, this circle is not perfect, so you don't need to completely erase it in order to correct it. You can simply draw very light lines of the desired shape and then erase the part which is wrong. There we have a perfect figure. I hope it will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.